Dog grooming is the routine care and maintenance of your dog's physical appearance and cleanliness. The Basic Dog Grooming Course from Care Skills Training is a beginner-friendly, CPD-accredited course that teaches essential grooming skills like ear care, nail trimming, and coat maintenance. It's ideal for pet owners, dog walkers, and anyone working with dogs. The course covers grooming tools, safe pet handling practices, and how to identify potential dog health issues. With easy, self-paced online learning and helpful videos, it's a great way to gain confidence in dog grooming and ensure your pet's health and comfort. So join us now.